Hello dear creatives, welcome to class once again. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a very nice embellishment for my braided headband. Now this is my braided headband fabric right here. You can use any fabric at all. And what I'm going to be using to create my embellishment will be millinery wire, some petals, feathers. Feathers are optional, or you can use any feather. You can decide not to use the feather, that's fine. And then UHU. Of course, you need a sewing machine. And I think that's all for now. So let's just go straight into the making of this embellishment. But first of all, I'm going to show you the measurement of my fabric. So I've sewn this pipe. So this is 4 inches right here. So it means I cut out my fabric to be 8 inches, 8 inches, and the length here is 32 inches. And then I cut out 3 pieces. So you can use fiber as your interfacing, or you can use foam. So I'm going to cut out my foam and I'll show you how to insert it before I create my braid. Then we can move on to creating the embellishment. So this is my braided headband, and I attached the belt to the back so it can fit any head size. So I'll put this aside and let's work on our embellishment. So I'll need my wire, and I'm going to be needing four circles like this in different sizes. So I'm just going to give you the sizes. The first length of my wire is 25 inches. The next size is 27 inches. The next one is 29 inches. And the last one, which is the biggest circle, is 36 inches. All right, so after you have cut out your millinery wire, you're going to fold it into a circle like this and use paper tape to hold it down. So the next thing you want to do is to get your thread and your UHU ready. You apply some UHU to your wire very lightly. And then you use your wire to wrap. Sorry, you use your thread to wrap. This may take some time, but that was exactly what I did for the other 3. I will show you the outcome, but first let's wrap this all the way round. Now, if you feel this will take much of your time, you can use any ribbon, bias, velvet, anything at all to wrap and cover your wire. So this is what it looks like. And the next thing I'm going to do is to attach my petals. So I apply some UHU glue to the back like this, and then place it on the wire and use another petal to cover the back. I'll create another one for you to see. So that is how you create your embellishment. You see how it looks like? So I'm going to repeat this process and leave some parts of the wire because this will help me put all the wires together. So this is the one I just did, and these are the ones that I did before. You see that I attached some feathers. So this is the feathers that I attached. I just picked them one after the other and glued them in between the petals. So this is the last one. And I just tied this together with thread, and I'll show you how. I did it this way. Can you see? And I'm going to pick up my thread and tie this together. So you see, it's still flipping up. So I'm going to tie it down around here. So this place is still open, then I will tie it down here. So you see how it looks? It's looking firm. So you can attach this to your Alice band, your headband, whatever way you want to embellish this is totally fine. So I'm going to figure out how to place this right here on my braids. I could place it on the side. Okay. Was looking so beautiful. If you like, you can still place some feathers at the back here if I want to, but it's not compulsory, but I can just leave it out. All right, so let me go ahead and finish this covering up, and then I'll show you how it looks like. If you like this video and you want to see more beautiful designs, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button so you can be the first to see when I drop another beautiful tutorial. Thank you so much for joining in. My name is Adiola. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.